Marissa, and today I have such an exciting video for you guys. This is going to be a last minute baddies Halloween costume. So I know this is last minute, obviously that's the whole point of the video. If you are anything like me, I do this every single year. I wait all month and I can't decide on a freaking costume, and then like a week or two before Halloween I'm like, crap, I have no costume. Today I'm going to be showing you last minute things that you can create from mostly things that you have in your closet. And these are all baddies, so like a little slay, a little whore life, whore life, more life, whatever. So if this is not your vibe, or if you're not like older, this might just not be the video for you. But guys, I'm 23. If I want to dress like a slut on Halloween, I will. All of these costumes are kind of missing pieces, so I'm going to do this video kind of weird. I'm going to be trying on the things that I have just so you can get a visual, and then inserting pictures of other things. Some of you guys might actually have all the pieces to this. I might just not have all of them, but I had some great ideas on things that you could just kind of piece together with mostly things that you have in your house, or things, classic pieces that a lot of people own. But yeah, so you could just pick your favorite and then go like get the like missing pieces instead of buying a whole brand new costume. And two, I like doing this because costumes are so basic this year that like if you kind of create them from your own clothes, what are you doing? I'm filming. If you create them from your own clothes, then people aren't going to be wearing the same exact thing as you, because that is so not it. That's not baddie vibes. We want to be unique out here. So even if you're wearing the same, like if you're being the same thing, you're wearing something different, you know? So if you guys are new here, my name is Marissa. I do a new video every single Monday, so make sure you guys are subscribed and you guys click the bell next to it so you know when I upload. Also guys, please take a minute and thumbs this video up. That would help me out so much. If you are new here, if you just haven't done it yet, make sure you guys are following me on all my social medias. I will have my Snapchat right here, and then my Instagram and Twitter at the bottom. Since I'm only here once a week, I'm on there all week. So yeah, make sure you guys are following me on there. But yeah, so I have a list on my phone, and like I said, I'm just gonna insert clips of like me kind of showing you what I'm talking about, just so you guys can really know what I'm saying. And like I said, if I don't have the certain pieces, I'm gonna insert like ideas, and then in the description I will have places you can buy them from. So I will try to find the pieces that I show in this video. Some of the things that I have are old, so I'll just like insert things that you can like buy that are similar, you know what I mean, if you really like something, and maybe you don't have all the pieces to it. Guys, I don't know what I'm being yet for Halloween, so whatever your guys' favorite is that I show you, please comment down below so that I can be that for Halloween. Number one, I think this is so cute. So this is to be a boxer. So if you guys don't know, I am actually like a freelance makeup artist, and last year for Halloween I did the cutest girls like boxer makeup, and you don't have to do like, I did like little bruises on her and stuff, and you don't have to do that, but her costume was so cute and easy. And of course my camera's dying. You could just take like a sports bra and like spandex, and then I have this robe that's like a satin like silky robe that I got from Fashion Nova forever ago, and it's like short. You could totally just wear that as like a boxer robe, nobody would know. And then you could do like little pigtail braids in your hair and get like boxing gloves, and you don't have to go as far as getting like a little boxing belt thing, but you could. But that's like so cute, so easy, and hers was so easy. Like I said, you could like do your makeup up and like bruises. I did like a bruised lip and like a black eye for her, but you don't have to do that. You could be the winner of the fight, you know? But I think that's so cute, so easy, and yeah, like not a lot of people, I've seen a few people do it, but I don't like it's not something that everybody, like not everybody walks around like a boxer. So I think that's really cute. The next one is very basic, but if you're a girl and you want a baddie costume, this is the simplest, easiest thing to be. And this is like a cat slash bunny slash whatever sort of animal. It's literally just like wear some lingerie, or like a bodysuit type of thing, and then I mean it doesn't have to be that. You could wear like a dress, just something like all black, and you could do like some fishnets and heels of any sort. Throw on some cat ears or some bunny ears. I have done this multiple times. It's very basic, don't get me wrong, this one is basic, but it's always cute. It's always cute. You're always gonna look like a baddie, like you're always gonna because you make it your own. Like, that's why it's always cute, because it's like you can go as far as you want. If you want to just wear the bodysuit, no bottoms, girl, do it. Power to you. Okay, the next one I think is really cute. You could go two ways with this, honestly, but it's to be a bride. So you can do, I have like this lacy white bodysuit, and you could do something like that, just like white, like teddy lingerie type of stuff. I've seen people get like white garters, which is really cute. So that's really the main thing you would need to buy if you have like some type of white like lacy top bottom, or even a white dress. But you could buy like the little garter and then just like a veil, and then your bride, you can do that fun and like do like dead bride and do like some like bloody makeup if you're into doing makeup and stuff. Or you can wear literally the same thing, no veil, no garter, or you could do the garter, that would be cute too. And just throw on like an angel halo and be an angel, and you could do like wings or something instead. Super easy, you just literally wear all white. Okay, the next thing kind of goes into that. This one is kind of basic too. It's a devil, but I think you could do this so cute, and it's always cute, and I've seen such cute like red makeup to do with it that I'm like, but yeah, so this is cute. You can just literally wear a red dress. I have this super cute red dress that I think would be so cute. Or same thing, you can go and do like red lingerie, like red like lacy. It literally just depends like how much you want to show, girl. I'm single out here, so we'd be honing it up. But yeah, just whatever you feel more comfortable in. But I think the red, like, I've also seen red like latex. I used to have this red latex dress. I don't have it anymore, but that would be so cool. I've seen red latex like bodysuits. So cool. I think that would be so awesome, and those are so easy. You literally, or you could like, if it's cold where you live too, you could wear red pants and just like a red top, but just wear all red, and then like devil ears, and you could get one of those like whatever the thing is. It's not a spatula, what is that called? His thing that you carry, I don't know, but I would probably just do the devil ears and call it a day. But I think that is so cute too. Okay, the next one is very COVID-19 friendly. I think this is really a cute idea, and I've seen like the same costume for this, so if you do it yourself, I think it would be super cool because nobody would have it. But it's to be a ninja. So this is, I have a feeling so many people are going to be this for Halloween this year, just because you can like put the mask in the costume. The top that I'm going to show you is actually my friend's, but I think it would be so perfect if you wore it as like a ninja costume. So it's just like a top, like it's like an asymmetrical top that like ties, so it looks more like ninja-y. I don't know. And then you could wear just like spandex pants. You could even wear just like leggings if you wanted to, and then you just literally need to get like red stretchy fabric, which you could buy at like a fabric store. You don't even need to go get like real fabric, and just literally like cross it up your legs and like arms and stuff, and then just wear a black face mask, which you probably all have a face mask at this point. And I think that would be so cute and unique, because like I said, like I've seen the same ninja costume everywhere. So I just feel like so many people are gonna have the same one, and that would be like a cute way to still be a ninja but not be the same one. Okay, the next is a pirate. I think this is so cute. I've been seeing this everywhere, and then I was thinking about like how to do it yourself. So I have this cute white top, kind of like this one, but the sleeves are like puffy, so it would be perfect for like a pirate top. And then you could just wear black spandex like pants again, and I would wear like fishnets. You don't have to go all that like craziness, and like knee-high boots I think would be so cute. And all you would have to get, well, I actually have a bandana. You could wear like a bandana on your head, and then all you would have to get is like a little like kind of like wrap for your skirt, and you would be done. You could go the extra mile and get like the gold body chains and stuff, but you don't have to do all that if you didn't like have time or wanted to spend money on anything. You could literally just buy like those items, and then you're done. And I think that's so freaking cute. I don't see a lot of people being pirates, but I think it's really cute. Okay, the next one is super cute. Again, pretty COVID friendly if you wanted it to be, and this is to be a robber. So this is so, I just saw this and I was like, oh my god, it's so cute and easy. So literally just wear all black. You could wear it however you want. I think I would probably wear, I don't know, like some type of cute black top, and then like black, I don't know, I have like these cargo pants that would be really cute actually, or you could wear spandex, whatever, again. And then you could do either like a full like ski mask type of mask, or you could even do just like a mask like this that's like a bandana, I think would be kind of cool. But yeah, and then you could get like a fake like toy gun or something and like put it on your like hip if you're doing like spandex, or you could just hold it if you're doing like the cargo pants or whatever. But I think that'd be really cool and like just like fun, and it would still be like kind of COVID friendly. So we love that. The next thing I have is a fairy. This is so freaking easy. So you could take any, like, you could do any colorful dress, or you could do any like metallic-y dress. I have this cute like silvery champagne metallic-y dress. This is also a very girly costume if you're like a little girly girl. Yeah, and then just buy fairy wings. That's it. You can even DIY fairy wings. I will like link some cool ones down below. But yeah, super freaking easy and cute, and I don't see a lot of people being fairies. Okay, the next one, also basic, disclaimer, but this is Euphoria themed. You could do any, like, this is so fun because the makeup is so fun. So you could do like any type of cool Euphoria makeup you want with like the jewels and stuff, or even if you don't have the face jewels, you could just like do glitter, whatever the heck you want. Super fun. And then I have this one top, I've literally like never worn it, but it's like a bedazzled like rhinestone like little fabric top, and then I don't really have bottoms to go with it. You can wear any like colorful metallic-y bottom, skirt. You could do a matching piece set like that, like super easy. Like you could really make a fire costume out of anything, because you don't, like, I see a lot of people wearing the classic like Maddie costume of like the purple pants and purple top, but I'm like, guys, you could have so much more fun than just that. So yeah, that one's super easy and super like you would need nothing, but it is a little basic. I have a feeling a lot of girls are gonna do that. The next thing I think is super cute is a mummy. So this is super easy. Again, you could just do a white, like, I actually don't know if I have anything that I could do. I would probably actually have to buy like a white two-piece, but if you have anything white, just like a white top and white skirt or like bottoms, and then you just take gauze, like medical like gauze from like a first aid kit, and you could just like dirty it up with like black eyeshadow, like black and brown eyeshadow, and then you just wrap it around you, like super easy. But if you had like a white two-piece set, that's all you would really need. And I'll insert a picture of that, but I don't think I actually have anything that I could wear. I would probably have to buy a white two-piece set, because I'm thinking about it now. I'm like, I have white clothes, but I don't think I have anything that would actually work for that. But yeah, like Fashion Nova or something would have super easy like two-piece sets, or probably even Walmart. You could get like white biker shorts and just like a white tank top. Sorry if you guys hear that, that's literally my cat. The next thing is so freaking easy, and so cute. My sister did this one year, and I was like, why have I never honestly thought about that? She borrowed like one of my like football jerseys, which I've actually never seen back since, but it's okay. But literally it's just like a football player or like a baseball player or a soccer player or basketball player, whatever jersey you have. Can you stop, girl? But yeah, whatever type of jersey you have, you just be that type of player, and you can get like the cute like knee-high socks, and you just wear like spandex shorts. I only have like a baseball jersey, so I would wear like the baseball jersey and like probably a baseball hat, but you don't have to if you're being like a football player or something, you know. But like super freaking easy and cute. You get like a whistle or something, I don't know. But yeah, also fun fact, I got my baseball jersey for like $3 at the thrift store one time like years ago, because I was going to a baseball game. So that's a great place to get jerseys if you don't have one and you want like a cheap quick costume. Okay, next I have a clown. This is kind of what I think I'm gonna be. So this is super easy as well if you already have like a cute like corset, like I forget how you say that, it's like bustier, whatever type of top. I'll insert what mine looks like, but I have one that's really cute and like all rhinestone. You can get a plain one. They have super cute ones everywhere, honestly, but that with like spandex and a little tutu is so cute. I would do mine with like fishnets too, and then you could do cool clown makeup, which I actually have a video on clown makeup, so I'll insert that down below. But yeah, like super cute, super easy, and I don't see a lot of people being clowns, so I think that's super cute. And then last, I have a vampire. This again, kind of basic, but really cute. And I feel like this was basic when we were all in middle school, but it's not that basic anymore. Like, I don't see many people dressing up as a vampire. But I saw this and I was like, oh my god, that is so cute. I don't know why I never thought of that. It's literally, you could just wear like a bodysuit or like lingerie, like bodysuit top, and then you just wear, oh my god, this guy's staring at me through his window. But yeah, you just wear that and then like a black, or I would probably do like red type of like cloak thing, and you just wear that over top, and then you could do like knee-high boots with like the fishnets, or you don't have to, but whatever, and then you literally just do like a drip of blood and you're like, I'm a vampire. So cute, like so cute, and like very freaking easy. Literally all you would have to buy, well, all I would have to buy would be like the cloak, because most people have like the other things. But yeah, that is everything, guys. I hope this helped you. If it did, please give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what one was your favorite. And yeah, if you dress up as any of these, please tag me or send me them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video next Monday. Peace out.